Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today we're going for the Speedscape speed record for fastest escape from double locked handcuffs. I cannot remember what the fastest time is, but it's currently held by Blastastic Escapes. I think it was 7.9 seconds, but whatever it was, it'll be down at the bottom of the screen here somewhere.
Ta-da! We've got the timer. I'm sorry if it keeps going in and out of focus. The camera wants to focus on both the camera and Mr. Deadlock, so I do apologise. Rolling. About 5 seconds.
Well,
the amusing thing is, that's still locked on there, and the lock still works. so that is it's a wafer lock, so it's kind of the weakest thing on there, but it's somehow the strongest thing on there. So yeah, I found that funny. But,
Yeah, no, it's broken now.
It's not that strong.
Now it has a hole in it.